Have you ever looked at your bank statement and wondered, where did all my money go? Chances are, a significant chunk of it was eaten away by bank charges. But what exactly are bank charges, and why do they seem to creep up on us so quickly? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of tied bank charges, breaking down the different types, how they're calculated, and how you can avoid them. Tied Bank, like many other banks, has a range of charges that can impact your finances. These charges can be a real pain point for many customers, especially those who are trying to manage their money on a tight budget. Understanding what these charges are and how they work can help you minimize their impact and keep more of your hard-earned cash. Types of tied bank charges. Monthly maintenance fees. This is a recurring charge that you'll pay each month simply for having a bank account with Tide. The amount can vary depending on the type of account you have and your account balance. Transaction fees. These charges are typically levied for each transaction you make, such as withdrawals, deposits, or transfers. The fee can vary depending on the type of transaction and the channel you use, e.g., ATM, online banking, branch. Overdraft fees. If you spend more money than you have in your account, you'll incur an overdraft fee. This fee can be quite hefty, so it's important to avoid overdrawing your account. Returned item fees. If you write a check that bounces, you'll be charged a returned item fee. This fee is typically higher than a regular overdraft fee, as it involves additional administrative costs. Foreign transaction fees. If you use your Tide card to make purchases or withdrawals outside of Nigeria, you'll be subject to foreign transaction fees. These fees can add up quickly, so it's a good idea to use a travel credit card that offers no foreign transaction fees. ATM fees. If you use an ATM that's not affiliated with Tide, you'll be charged an ATM fee. The fee can vary depending on the ATM network and the location. Late payment fees. If you miss a payment on a loan or credit card, you'll be charged a late payment fee. This fee can be significant, so it's important to make your payments on time. How bank charges are calculated. The specific calculation for bank charges can vary depending on the type of charge and the bank's policies. However, most charges are based on a flat fee or a percentage of the transaction amount. For example, a monthly maintenance fee might be a fixed amount, while a transaction fee might be a percentage of the amount withdrawn or deposited. Tips for avoiding bank charges. Choose the right account. Some accounts have lower fees or no fees at all. Research the different account options available from Tide and choose the one that best suits your needs. Maintain a minimum balance. Some accounts require you to maintain a minimum balance to avoid monthly maintenance fees. Use your bank's ATM network. Using ATMs that are affiliated with your bank can help you avoid ATM fees. Avoid overdrafts. Carefully track your spending and avoid overdrawing your account. Pay your bills on time. Make sure to pay your bills on time to avoid late payment fees. Consider a travel credit card. If you travel frequently, a travel credit card with no foreign transaction fees can save you money. Bank charges can add up quickly if you're not careful. By understanding the different types of charges and taking steps to avoid them, you can keep more of your hard-earned money. Remember, it's important to review your bank statements regularly to ensure that you're not being charged unfairly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.